What's up, Minitruck?
Got any new plates, Minitruck? Won't be needing this anymore. Now I could drive you down to the gas station, get you some gas. Climbing this hill pretty good. Ooh, Minitruck. Super Plus.
I'd buy that for $1.
7.6 gallons.
What a cute little car.
Mine's smaller than yours. You don't hear many men brag about that, do you?
That's pretty funny.
Holy shit, that's a nice game. David, it's legal to use them tires?
Those are DOT.
No kidding.
I swear to God, yep.
It's all legal on the road, huh?
I just got the plates.
Yeah.
Right-hand drive.
Wow. That's a good deal. It's not even, for 4,500 you can't beat it.
No, it's got a little 3-cylinder. Ooh, it's cold out. You like my big truck? What's that? 4-wheel drive? Yeah.
Pretty nice to go behind a cab.
It's only 1,500 pounds.
Can you tow it on all fours?
Yeah, because it's got a no, it's got a transfer case with neutral.
Ah, nice. Very nice.
Thanks. Everybody's over there, right? I don't have power windows.
Oh shit, look at this spot.
Everybody's over to Gary's. I just got it legal today, man. Got plates on it.
Yeah, I would drive the shit out of this thing. Drive this thing right to Gary's.
Yeah.
We're all going over there and grabbing beer. That's it. Have fun with this fucking. This thing is sick.
All right, maybe I'll see you over there then. A little bit too much. No good for the road. Yeah, Minitruck. It's worth trying these tires, but they're way too noisy on the road. I'm gonna have to put the steelies back on. I'm gonna have to get some road tires. I'll find something for you, girl. I have a viewer saying that they have a HiJet. It's a 1990 and it has points. This may have points. I don't know. I'm gonna pull the cap off, find out. Yeah, I know it's easier to take the plate off, but it's so little. Anyway, what the heck. Well, it's definitely electronic. Yeah, it's got a little bit of corrosion. Scrape that off. Well, that looks like those are pickups. Well, definitely it's got electronic ignition. Clean up that distributor. It's actually surprising how well the hoses held up for the age of it. I mean, the hoses are in good shape. Still pliable. Yeah, Minnie. It's definitely electronic ignition. Right, Minitruck?
What the hell's going on?
I know you're jealous of her, but you're gonna have to get along. Feel these friggin' tires? How bad they are. I let more air out just to see.
Oh, that's ridiculous.
But this is way better than it was.
My ass is vibrating.
These tires are horrible. Parked between these two big trucks. Show them who the big truck is in this parking lot.
What's going to be when it grows up?
I don't know. That's why I parked it next to them two big trucks.
Yeah.
That's how you like my Mini.
cute. I seen it come in, I'm like, who's that? And then your wife is driving or you?
Me, it's right-hand drive.
Nice, it's cute.
Don't play in the snow, mini truck. It's snowing out. Got the old steelies on with the knobbies, but they didn't bounce as bad as those did. Look at that mini truck. Mini truck! These are so much more pleasant. I mean, they're not perfect, but wow. Look, there's a monster mini truck. Go, go, mini truck. People are gonna bitch about my windshield, I know it. Well, it's a big turkey. My buddy's piece of property here. He's got 100 acres. We're gonna take this up here one time. We'll let a little air out. Let the windshield thaw. There, finally. It's a blizzard out here. Woo! Here we go, mini truck. Better. I can probably let a little more air out. Yeah, mini truck. Don't forget you got to pick up. No weight in the bed. Ass end can come around on you at any time. So I was thinking I can make a bumper that goes in my 2-inch receiver and a hitch in the back and use solid 2-inch steel and use that as a weight for the back in my bed because it is so light in the back. And not that I have to leave it in all the time, but if I go wheeling, it's going to give me more weight in the back. On days like today, or if I'm off-roading, nice solid steel 2-inch bumper or something like that. Or I can take it out when I want, put it in when I need it. What do you guys think? Railroad. Don't laugh at my Mini. Definitely better with softer tires. The ups, man. You don't have anti-lock brakes either. It's all old school. You wouldn't know it the way old Minitruck is handling it, but this is really slick out today. Good job, Minitruck. Good job. Did you have fun? I could tell. Oh, Minitruck. You were hauling snow. Oh, yeah. Look at this. I thought I came down here. That might be someone else's tracks. Looks like motorcycle. Looks like they wrecked there. That's a motorcycle track. They must have wrecked on the ice. They probably saw my tracks. Anyway, I went to there. I think I was up farther. It slid sideways about down to here because I remember that rock. And then I maneuvered back and forth and got myself turned around and left. That was scary. And my damn camera locked up. Yeah, so we're not trying that today. Well, that water's flowing pretty good, huh, Minitruck? Someone lost their bike. Oh, that back tire's shot. Yeah, I think the whole bike is shot. Holy cow. Oh my god. You want to try to go up this Minitruck? Me either. If I knew it was up on top of that, I'd try to do this hill here. I don't know what's up there. Did you have fun, Minitruck? Me too. What's up, Minitruck? Ooh, you're pretty. Huh? Oh, water spots. Oh. How'd I get water spots already? Oh my god. New blades. Got your eyebrows did. Happy Valentine's Day, Minitruck. Nobody.